Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 22nd, and we have some of our onion seedlings here, and they actually need watered. So I'm going to show you how I water them. I have a tray here, a cake pan, and I filled it with our melted snow water that's been warmed to room temperature. I also use rainwater. And I'm just going to set this tray in and let it soak the water up. Now, the reason why I won't water them from the top is because I don't want to wash them out of the soil. I don't want to wash the roots out or anything like that. So I'm going to let this soak up its water, and then I will put it back under our lights, and that's how I water my onion seedlings. I'll show you. We got some more growing under here, and we have more germinating. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.